So our second hike of the day, we're doing the Ledges Trail. Got a little bit of a late start, so it's going to be probably getting dark by the time we get back, but we're going to try it anyway. So we'll see what we get. But right now we have this nice evergreen forest that we're walking through. We've gotten to the ledges already. It was a pretty short walk, but starting to see some of the rock formations. I think we're gonna go through some little tunnels here in a little bit, hallways through the rocks. So the boys found a tight hallway to go through, and then they ended up coming out of this little cave opening, and now we're gonna head down through there.
We're on the ledges. We've been climbing on rocks for a while, and I insist that you come on this trail. It's a really nice trail.
I think what I find amazing about this is that the trees growing out of the rocks and on top of the rocks with no soil, somehow the roots have made their way through the cracks and they're growing on top.
No, that's... That probably is reasonable. Can you give me a shoe?
So far, there's a lot more ledges than I thought there would be. I thought it was a much smaller section, but it actually goes on for a long ways. Kids have really enjoyed this park and this trail in particular.